I'm Nasima, and I am going to show you a way today to get rid of your hiccups. I'm sure everybody has had hiccups before. They can be very annoying. They can even be painful. They can even last for days sometimes. Every time since I've learned this technique that I've had hiccups, it has gotten rid of them instantly. Basically what I will be demonstrating, I'll be breathing in air, sucking in air, and swallowing it and sending that air down deep into the belly, into the solar plexus, and keep sipping in air through the mouth, sipping in as much air, swallowing it, sipping in more air, as much as I could sip in, and when I'm at my very limit, I'll hold it and I will exhale. So I will demonstrate. And you could do this standing up, or you could do it sitting down, but don't cross your legs. You want to be able to really fill up the entire diaphragm. So you kind of want to have you don't want your legs too close, just kind of give that separation for that air to really fill the body. So here we go. So that's basically it, but it is not as simple as it looks because you're really pushing yourself to really bring in as much air as possible, and you'll kind of hit a limit where you'll feel, oh, I can't take in any more air, but try to even sip in more air, and all the while not exhaling. So sip in that air as much as possible, and when you hit that limit, see if you, oh, can I get in more air, bring in more air, swallow it, really filling up the entire belly. The entire diaphragm should be completely filled with air. You'll feel it, hold it, and then exhale very slowly. And if it doesn't work the first time, which it should, do it again, and it should get rid of your hiccups instantly. So thank you for watching, and be well.